Good morning friends, I am Namrata Gunnal. Today we are going to start the first chapter from our first paper, Mathematics. Let me start the first chapter, Mathematical Logic. Let me see some bits from this chapter. Let me see the definition of a statement. A statement is a declarative sentence which is either true or false but not both simultaneously. What is stated in this statement? It is nothing but a statement is a declarative sentence. Declarative means it declares something which is either true or false. Means that statement may possesses the truth value as a T or false value as a false. But not both. Means a statement cannot be true and false. It may be one of them. Statements are always denoted by the small letters P, Q, R and etc. Truth value of a statement. Now let me discuss the truth value of a statement. Means whatever may be the statement given, it may possesses either a truth value true or a false value as a false. Each statement is either true or false. If a statement is true, then it is denoted by the capital letter by T, and if the statement is false, then it is denoted by a capital letter by F. Let me see some examples based on this statement. Let me see some examples. Sun rises in the east. Now, by using these examples, let me discuss about their truth values. Now, we all know that sun rises in the east. Therefore, its a truth value is denoted by T. You can see on this video, I wrote its a truth value as a T. And the second example is 5 into 2 which is equals to 11. We all know the multiplication of 5 into 2. It is nothing 11. It is nothing but 10. Therefore, the truth value of this example is nothing but false. Therefore, let me write the truth value of this statement is nothing but F. Therefore, I am writing it as a F. Every triangle has a 3 sides. We all know every triangle possesses the 3 sides only. Therefore, its a truth value is again T. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Yes, we all knowing this. Mumbai is nothing but the capital of Maharashtra. Therefore, its a truth value is again T. A natural number is an integer. Yes, we all knows the sets natural number, integer, rational number, irrational number, real number. For this, let me give the examples. Natural numbers starts from 1 to 3 and so on. And we know that the set of integer is denoted by capital I. Therefore, it is nothing but the set 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. You can see this. Every natural number is in the set of integer. Therefore, this statement is also true. Therefore, the truth value of this statement is again T. Let me see the next bit. Following sentences are not statement. You can see the examples given below. Please give me your pen. What is your name? How are you? Open the window. These are nothing but some requesting, commanding sentences. Therefore, these are sentences neither possesses a truth value or a false value. Therefore, these are not a statement because they're nothing declaring something. That's why these sentences are not statements. Let me see the next bit. Logical connectivities, simple and compound statements. Let me see some logical connectivities. Means we are using some connectivities to join two sentences or two statements. The words which are used to connect two statements are called the logical connectivities. The connectivities are and, or, if, then, if and only if, not, etc. Yes, they are given the connectivities. Means if any two statements are joined by these connectivities and, or, if, then, if and only if, not, then we can say these are nothing but the logical connectivities or logical statements. Simple and compound statement. Let me see the definition of a simple statement. A statement which cannot be split further into two or more statements is called a simple statement. Means it cannot be split. आपण ह्या दोन्ही स्टेटमेंटला वेगवेगळं करू शकत नाही. जो एकच स्टेटमेंट राहून जाईल त्याला आपण म्हणता येतं की इट इज नथिंग बट अ सिंपल स्टेटमेंट. If a statement is the combination of two or more simple statements, then it is called a compound statement. Compound means it is nothing but the combination of two statements. Let me see some examples based on these two these two definitions. For example, 3 is a prime and 4 is an even number. You can see AND is the connectivity used in this statement. Therefore, this AND is nothing but a logical connectivity. And let we see, you can split up these two statements. The first statement is 3 is a prime. Yes, this is a complete statement. And second statement is 4 is an even number. It is the another statement. And we are joining these two statements by using the logical connectivity AND. Here two statements are joined. Therefore, this is nothing but a compound statement. Again, the next example, 3